Hi Dr. Hart. How are you today?
I am great. Good to see you, Malka. How can I help you today?
My son has pimples and nothing helps.
You have come to the right place. We have many options to help him.
I tried all the lotions and potions and nothing helped. What can I do?
Look, we have the option of oral antibiotics and Accutane or light therapy.
What is light therapy? How does it work?
The acne bacteria has inside a chemical compound that is very sensitive to blue light. When we use a high-intensity special light source on the skin, a chemical reaction inside the skin will kill the bacteria and prevent new pimples.
Is it safe? Is it painful? How many treatments are needed?
Absolutely safe and totally painless. Usually we do 8 treatments a week to 2 weeks apart. More than 80% of the patients will see significant decrease in pimples in 2-3 months.
Can my son combine it with cream?
Sure. The idea in acne treatment is to attack it from all fronts. I always recommend the combination of light therapy with topical anti-acne creams.
Can you also use it on the very severe cases?
It's amazing. Actually, the best option for treating very severe cystic acne will be the combination of light therapy with low-dose Accutane. You know, Accutane in high dose has a lot of side effects and can even make acne worse in the beginning. Combining light therapy with low-dose Accutane will give much better results with lower side effects.
Dr. Hart. These are splendid news for my son. I will tell him everything and will bring him here soon.
Bye, Malka. Thanks for the visit and see you.
Bye-bye and shalom.